a really cool machine. What is it?
Oh, so this is a quick tester machine. So,
What? Why are the lights off? I can't see anything.
Don't worry, we made an emergency flashlight, remember?
But I didn't bring any batteries.
Oh, about that.
With this emergency flashlight, you don't need any batteries. Just crank it and you'll light everything up.
Oh, the lights are back on. Wait, I want to see that flashlight up close.
Our Dynamo Flashlight is a flashlight powered by mechanical energy. The mechanism utilizes a hand crank that can be cranked in either direction. Through this movement, the gears connect to a DC motor that sends electricity through diodes, a capacitor, resistor, transistor, and finally, the LED. The hand crank was made by injecting polypropylene into a CNC milled aluminum mold, and the grip was made using an SLA printed mold. The gears were also SLA printed, and the casing was made using FDM printing and PLA filament. The light produced by this flashlight is enough for comfortable reading.